Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stylish chic patio decor ideas and tips for decorating outdoor living space, fresh air, and embrace the beauty of the outdoors. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. For many, the patio represents an escape, a chance to unwind amidst the fresh air and embrace the beauty of the outdoors. But why settle for merely functional when you can cultivate a space that's both inviting and undeniably chic? In this comprehensive guide, courtesy of Homes Decor Designs, we'll delve into the world of chic patio decor, exploring its essence, benefits, and practical tips for achieving this coveted aesthetic in your own backyard haven. Chic patio decor transcends mere functionality. It elevates your outdoor space into a sophisticated extension of your home, characterized by clean lines, timeless design elements, and a curated selection of high-quality furnishings. Think crisp white furniture accented with plush cushions, geometric rugs grounding the space, and carefully placed greenery that adds a touch of organic elegance. The focus lies on creating a cohesive and visually appealing environment that reflects your personal style and invites relaxation. Transforming your patio into a chic haven isn't just about aesthetics, it offers a multitude of advantages such as: first, enhanced enjoyment. A chic patio becomes a destination, a place you actively seek out to unwind, entertain, or simply soak up the sunshine. Second, increased value. A well-designed patio adds significant value to your property, not just financially, but also in terms of creating a luxurious outdoor living space. Third, improved curb appeal. A chic patio makes a lasting first impression, showcasing your design sense and adding a touch of sophistication to your home's exterior. Fourth, year-round appeal. With the right approach, a chic patio can be enjoyed throughout the year, even in cooler months, becoming an extension of your living space. Now that you understand the essence of chic patio decor, let's explore how to bring this vision to life. Here are the steps for you to decorate your patio for a chic look. First, define your space. Before diving into furniture selection, consider the layout and purpose of your patio. Will it be a dedicated dining area, a cozy conversation nook, or a multifunctional space? Second, embrace the elements. Consider sun exposure, wind patterns, and potential rain when choosing furniture and accessories. Opt for weather-resistant materials built to endure the outdoors. Third, furnish with intention. Invest in high-quality furniture pieces that are both stylish and comfortable. Clean lines, neutral tones, and natural materials like wicker, teak, or metal exude timeless elegance. Fourth, accessorize wisely. Accentuate your space with carefully chosen accessories. Throw pillows in rich textures and patterns add a touch of personality. Sleek lanterns or strategically placed candles create a warm ambience after dark. Fifth, layer in rugs. Outdoor rugs not only define seating areas, but also inject color and pattern. Opt for geometric or textural rugs that complement your furniture and overall theme. Sixth, embrace the power of plants. Liven up your space with strategically placed greenery. Hanging planters, potted plants, or a vertical garden add a touch of life and create a connection with the natural world. Seventh, consider lighting. The right lighting creates a magical atmosphere. String lights, strategically placed lanterns, or solar-powered lights can transform your patio into an evening oasis. Eighth, incorporate a water feature. The soothing sound of water adds a touch of serenity and creates a focal point in your patio. A small tabletop fountain or a strategically placed water feature can elevate the ambience. Ninth, create privacy screens. If your patio lacks privacy, consider installing stylish privacy screens like lattice panels or tall planters. This allows you to create a more intimate and secluded space. 10th, don't forget the finishing touches. Personalize your patio with decorative accents like outdoor artwork, sculptures, or throws. These elements showcase your personality and create a truly unique space. And to complete your inspiration, here are the compilation of top 10 best chic patio decor ideas. 1. White wicker furniture with navy cushions. This timeless combination exudes sophistication and creates a crisp, clean aesthetic. The navy cushions add a touch of depth and prevent the space from feeling too sterile. 2. Geometric outdoor rug. A geometric rug in a bold pattern or neutral tones with a subtle geometric design adds a touch of modern flair and defines your seating area. It also anchors the space and prevents furniture from visually floating. 3. String lights for ambience. String lights draped overhead or hung vertically along a wall create a magical atmosphere, perfect for evening gatherings. Opt for warm white lights for a cozy feel or cool white lights for a more modern touch. 4. Sleek lantern for soft lighting. A strategically placed lantern adds a touch of warmth and sets the mood for outdoor dining or relaxing evenings. Choose a lantern with a clean design and a weather-resistant finish. 5. Hanging planters with lush greenery. Incorporate lush greenery with hanging planters suspended from the patio roof or fence. This injects life and a connection with nature, creating a sense of tranquility. Opt for trailing plants like vines or cascading ferns for added visual interest. 6. Outdoor throw pillows with bold patterns. Don't underestimate the power of throw pillows. They add personality, pops of color, and extra comfort to your patio furniture. Opt for bold patterns and contrasting colors to create a visually dynamic look. 7. Water feature for serenity. The soothing sound of trickling water adds a touch of serenity and creates a focal point in your patio. A small tabletop fountain or a strategically placed water feature like a bamboo water bubbler can elevate the ambience and create a sense of peace. 8. Strategically placed outdoor artwork. A strategically placed piece of outdoor artwork, like a sculpture or a metal wall hanging, adds a touch of visual interest and reflects your personal style. Choose artwork made from weather-resistant materials and position it where it can be easily admired. 9. Outdoor throw blankets for chilly evenings. Enhance comfort and allow for year-round enjoyment of your chic patio by including a basket filled with stylish outdoor throw blankets. Choose throws in a variety of textures and colors to complement your overall design scheme. 10. Tiered plant stands. Tiered plant stands are a space-saving solution for adding greenery to your patio. They allow you to showcase a variety of plants at different heights, creating a lush and visually appealing display. What about the suitable furniture for chic patio decor? Choosing the right furniture sets the foundation for your chic patio. Here are some key considerations. First, material. Opt for weather-resistant materials like wicker, teak, wrought iron, or aluminum. Consider durability, comfort, and maintenance requirements when making your selection. Second, style. Clean lines, simple silhouettes, and neutral tones create a timeless and sophisticated look. You can incorporate pops of color with throw pillows or accent pieces. Third, functionality. Think about how you'll use your patio. Choose furniture that suits your needs, a comfortable sectional for lounging, a dining table for al fresco meals, or a bistro set for intimate conversations. Fourth, scale. Ensure your furniture is appropriately sized for your patio space. Oversized pieces will overwhelm a small patio, while tiny furniture will get lost in a large space. Here are some popular furniture options for chic patios. First, sectional sofas, perfect for creating a cozy conversation area. Opt for modular sections that offer flexibility in arranging your space. Second, dining sets. Choose a dining table and chairs suitable for the number of people you typically entertain. Consider folding options for smaller patios. Third, lounge chairs, perfect for relaxing and soaking up the sun. Look for chairs with comfortable cushions and adjustable settings. Fourth, bistro sets, ideal for intimate conversations or enjoying a morning cup of coffee. Fifth, chaise lounges, perfect for sunbathing or creating a luxurious spot for relaxation. By incorporating these chic design elements, you can transform your patio into a sophisticated haven that seamlessly blends style and functionality. Remember, the key lies in creating a cohesive and visually appealing space that reflects your personal taste and invites relaxation. So, unleash your creativity and get ready to enjoy your very own outdoor oasis. Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for even more inspiring patio decor ideas and design tips. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest trends and design inspiration to transform your home into a haven of style and comfort. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.